Today's topic, we're going to look into ServiceNow basics and administration. We'll also have an overview about basics on scripting and then high-level portal configurations. So first and foremost, we need to understand what is ServiceNow. So on a high level, whenever you talk about ServiceNow, it's just a Java application. So when you're working in ServiceNow, you won't be writing any Java code. You will be writing JavaScript. These two are way two different concepts. Java is a little complex. JavaScript is on a lighter note. It's a little bit easier, and that is what the browser understandable language. So we'll dive deep as we go, but on a high level, it's a Java application, and as we see here, we are having internet and client machines. This could be a browser, anything else, but that is first an application, and once an application is spun up and running somewhere, it needs a place to store. That is what we call it as database. So the databases are the ones where whatever we configure, write a code, create an incident, create a task, everything gets stored in the database, and application nodes are the one where the Java application runs. So it's again a browser understandable one. So anytime I open the ServiceNow application from the client machine via the internet, it connects through a load balancer again. ServiceNow as a customer, or let's say as an end user, millions of users can use at a single time, right? So let's say at this point in time, there are 1,000 customers who are logging into the instance, trying to create some ticket or create some request. During those time, it should balance the load and then efficiently manage it. So that's why from the client machine over the internet, we have load balancers. There are application nodes and then databases available. At the end, there are read replicas. So this is a concept where in case of large customers, it'll try to replicate and keep the data as and when it's ready. And there is always two nodes available, primary and secondary. In case if something goes wrong, let's say a natural calamity, or in most cases, if there is an application node going down due to performance issues and all those, the secondary can be spun up in a fraction of seconds. That is the beauty of ServiceNow, and that's why the ServiceNow uptime, if we look at the data, the production is almost 99.9% is always up for any of the production customers. So as and when the primary goes down, there will be a P0 or P1 ticket raised, and in the backend, the ServiceNow experts will flip it to secondary. Again, these knowledge, it's just a high-level overview about what is ServiceNow. Again, it's just a Java application which runs completely on application nodes sitting somewhere in the cloud. And again, cloud is nothing but a server located elsewhere. And then the application always stores all the information back in the database, and the database is always replicated, and primary secondary is always available.